this is cool. We've got people kite snowboarding at the base of the Washington Monument. Something I never thought I'd see. Well, I'm gonna walk over there. Hopefully I don't get run over. There's another guy over on the right. And then there's one in the middle. Okay. Well, I hope you'll zip right by here. Very cool. Very cool. Look at this guy go whoop in the air. Yeah. Yeah. Right on the far side there is pretty good. This guy's having some trouble. Yeah. Nope, bang. Yeah. You need a second party to flip that or something? All right. I've never seen it done with snowboards before. Windier earlier, right?
Usually we do it on water. So
yeah. But these are these snowboards or waterboards?
Snowboard.
Oh. So we're waiting for a gust.
Yeah, I mean. There we go.
Almost like a living thing you're trying to coax into
Yeah.
cooperation.
Yeah, I guess if you.
Me?
Yeah, if you want to flip it over, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so now what do I do? I just pick it up and flip it over? All right. Oh, very cool. Woo! Very cool. Whoa, baby. Cool. Oh, what a shot. Washington Monument and the kiteboarder. Wow. So go. There's the other guy. Oh, I'm glad I could help. Yeah, that's so cool. Let's see if they make it back up this way. Yeah, it's a deflating experience. I don't know if it's excuse me. think I'm going out of here. Out of here. Very cool. All right. Up to the Washington Monument here. Make sure I can't tell which way he's going. I think that sucker would hurt. Whoa! That is so cool. Oh. Yeah, when I picked that up, flipped it over, man, that thing felt like it was 20 pounds of pressure in that room. Oh well. Nice bright red orange kite on a gray day like this. Really pops. Alright. Yeah, okay. And there it is again. Washington Monument. And then, geez, two kites, two snowboarders. Very cool. All right, presumably it's not going to take my head off. Ugh. One, two, three. This guy here is opening it up. Blue and green.
Almost have the White House in the background.
Oh, there's the White House right there. And of course, there is the Lincoln Memorial. Shot a bunch of pictures and tweeted them out down there. Folks, there's kiteboarding here at the base of the Washington Monument. I've not seen that before. Very cool. And that's the Smithsonian, I believe. Maybe. Not sure. And then, of course, this is the Washington Monument. Very cool. Well, this has been a fun walk. Here, Snowstorm Titan, Washington, D.C. And if I hadn't gone out to shoot some photos of the snow, I would not have known about this snowboarding.